Mini EV upgrade, Lolly's cabin aesthetic glow up. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mini EV Adventures. For today's vlog is about giving Lolly a little glow up. Lolly is a DFSK Candy Mini EV. Malit siya pero ang confidence, ang SUV. Since nakapila tayo sa seat cover installation, ay nag-road trip muna tayo. All the way back to the upholstery shop ay naspatan na naman natin ang kambal nating Candy. Hello ka Candy. Honestly, matagal ko na itong pinag-iisipan. Budget na lang ang kulang. I wanted the interior to look more premium, more classy, and of course, aesthetic for our contents. So today, we're upgrading Lawless seats with US Deluxe leather in beige color. Why beige? Because of aesthetic look na para bang kahit nakapark ka lang sa grocery, feeling mo naka-premium EV ka. While waiting, of course, installation takes time. Hindi naman ito instant noodles na 3 minutes ready na. So habang busy ang mga kuya sa pag-i-install, ay scroll mode muna tayo sa social media and capturing some short clips for this vlog. My first impression, the moment I sat down, I immediately noticed the difference. Mas premium tingnan, mas elegant, mas comfortable, and somehow parang mas social akong driver. Hindi ko alam kung psychological effect lang ba yung beige leather, pero I felt that Lolly leveled up today. My final thoughts, and you know what's interesting? Sometimes the best upgrades aren't the biggest upgrades. Hindi kailangan bagong rims, bagong sound system, at kung ano-anong accessories. Sometimes, a simple interior upgrade can completely change how you feel every time you drive. Honestly, this US Deluxe leather upgrade in beige is one of my favorite upgrades for Lolly so far. Simple, elegant, classy, and very worth it. Kinabi na rin natapos ang installation. At syempre, nag-dinner muna tayo pa uwi and charging! Thank you for joining me in Lolly today. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating mini EV adventures. If you're curious about EV life, budget-friendly drives, EV upgrades, or just want to see where Lolly goes next, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more mini EV adventures. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang biyahe. See you on the next ride with Lolly!